Hi guys, welcome back to another episode on how to cut and sew. Today's episode is going to be based on how to cut this particular sleeve. So on this class, I'm going to take you how to get this sleeve perfectly. So if you want to achieve that particular sleeve, the first thing you're going to do is to cut out your half cut, because the half cut also carry sleeve length, some inches from the sleeve length, because it's cut together with the sleeve. You can see the way I cut it now. I folded my fabric into four this way, then I cut my half cut. You can see the normal sleeve measurement, for this particular, the normal shoulder measurement for this particular dress is 8 inches. You can see this is my 8 inches for the normal sleeve. For the normal shoulder is 8 inches, and additional of 6.5 inches. You can see where it is, 6.5 inches. So that means the half cut of the top is cut together with the sleeve. You can see this is where the shoulder ends, and this is additional of 6.5 inches for the sleeve, since it's cut together with the sleeve. So this is after joining the half cut together with the facing, together with the flay. You can see the simple flay on the half cut to make it a top. So I've done all that, I've joined all that. So this is the area I'm going to pleat my sleeve to make it a complete sleeve. You can see it now, you can see. So now this is what I'll be adding to it. This is what I've cut out for the pleat, for that puff, big puff they are seen on the thumbnail. You can see the length I'm using. This is not constant, it depends on what you want to do, and it depends on how full you want the sleeve to be. So the length I'm using here, I'm making use of length 25 inches. This is the full length I'm using, the full length of 25 inches. And the wideness I'm making use of here, I'm making use of wideness 36 inches. You can see this is 36 inches wideness by 25 inches length. You can see what I'm using now. For the two sleeves, they are the same length and the same wideness. You can see. So how can I achieve that? Any one of the edges, not taking this area or this area, just pick one. So I will be picking this area and notch it out to be my upper part that I'm going to pleat around the sleeve, the cut together one on the body, this particular one. So this is the area, this is 36 inches wideness. I'm pleating around this area. This is where it's going to be. You can see it now, you can see the area. The next thing you're going to do here is to fold out now, and you're going to take the measurement of your folding. Where we're going to fold it, you can see the way I'm folding it. Then the wideness of the folding is going to be 5.5 inches, which what we need is 4.5 inches, and the 1 inch is going for the sewing allowance. So let me show you the way you're going to do that now. I'm trying to fold it to get my 5.5 inches. You can see this is the 5.5 inches. This is where we are going to. Then I'm going to make use of my office pin to pin it down. Here I got my 5.5 inches. You can see now. Then I'll come to this area as well and take 5.5 inches wideness, and here too I can get it right. So I've pinned everything down. You can see it, you can see the way it is, you can see how straight it is. So the next thing here is to take away 1 inch from it, and 1 inch is going for the sewing allowance. So that's what I want to do now. 1 inch, another 1 inch, then I'm going to connect them together. So this is after connecting them. I'm going to stitch it on the machine now for you to see. So I'm stitching all this down, all this line, I'm going to stitch it down. Then I'll come to this area and bend it this way. Then this is the area we're going to add our elastic cover. We're going to input our elastic cover into, so I'm going to show you how to do this also. Then I'm going to input my elastic cover. So I'm going to do the same to the other sleeve also. So let me go and do it and show it to you. So this is what I've done here. You can see the stitching down, and this is the area that I stitched. I'm going to insert my elastic rubber. I'm passing my elastic rubber into this. You can see it now. So this is the way you're going to do it. So you can see it now. You can see. So the next thing to do here is to attach this area to this area now. Welcome back. Here the finished work so far. This is the sleeve I'm talking about. You can see how puffy it is. You can see the two steps. The first step is with elastic. No, the first step is without elastic cover, and the second step is with elastic cover. You can see how beautiful it turns out. If you are watching for the first time, what are you waiting for? You have to subscribe to my channel for more amazing tutorials. In my next class. Bye.